Entering to the next class, I want to share two questions which I got in the last week. The first question is, why Arunachal Pradesh is having less number of net zone area? Its answer is very simple. There in Arunachal Pradesh, it is a hilly area, mountainous area, wherever we are not able to do any cultivation at all. Together with that, the amount of forest region is more in Arunachal Pradesh. So there also we are not able to do any cultivation. So the net zone area in Arunachal Pradesh is very less. Second is, when we can change the stock into a developed resource. While I explained the stock, I told you, because of the lack of technology, stock is a stock. H2O is always H2O. We cannot change into water. When the technology we get in our hand, we can change H2O into water. Then only it can convert into a developed resource. Now today's class, land degradation. What are the reasons for land degradation? First one is deforestation. How the deforestation leads into land degradation? While we cut the trees, its roots will also shake. They will dry up and they will not be able to hold the soil. Then the soil will move and the land degradation occurs. Here you can see a beautiful tree over here. It gives shadow to many human beings, and you can see various hives, bee hives on that. Various birds comes, cranes and owls and come in the evening. Various small birds, squirrels all live on this tree. If anyone cut this tree, the roots will dry up and soil erosion will occur, and that leads into land degradation. Second reason is overgrazing of the fields. Overgrazing by cattle. You can see a cow over here eating the grass. While this cattle eat the grass, it will shake the root of the grass, and that will leads into soil erosion and land degradation. So overgrazing of the cattle by the cattle is also reason for land degradation. Third one is mining and quarrying. If you go to Ambaji, you can see various marble mines over there. Kilometers distance of this marble mines, you can see marble dust, the white color dust on the trees, on the land and everywhere else. So that area we will not be able to use for any cultivation. This is also mining and quarrying is also reason for land degradation. Next one is industrial effluents, waste from the industries which goes into the rivers or which dump into other land areas also leads into land degradation. The chemical from the factories, the chemical from the industrial areas will not allow the soil to be fertile more and more years. So this is also reason for land degradation. Next one is sand dunes. If you go to Jaisalmer area, you will be able to see the sand dunes over there. Wherever sand dunes are there, that area we are not able to use for any fertile purposes, for any cultivation. The sand dunes move together with the wind erosion occurs. So this is also a reason for land degradation. And the last one is urbanization. What is urbanization? The development of cities. When I reached into Ahmedabad in 2001, Ahmedabad was not like today. It was a small city. If I am going to Ahmedabad today, it is an expanded city around 40 to 50 kilometers distance. Wherever once the cultivation was going on. Just think about our Abu Road. It's also expanded. Wherever the cultivation was going on before, right now the buildings are made, factories are made, houses are made. So these areas are also made under land degradation. So these are the various reasons of land degradation. Deforestation, overgrazing by cattle, mining and quarrying, industrial effluents, sand dunes, expansion of sand dunes, and the last one is urbanization. Thank you.